In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to do the runner man drill, however, a little bit easier with a stick or something to balance with. So what I want you to do is focus on doing the runner man drill. Once you get better at it, I've got another video on how to do it with a band and also how to do it completely unaided. So this would be the first starting point for somebody. Then they would progress onto a band and then they would progress onto doing it completely unaided. So in a runner man stance, if I show you what it looks like without anything, you've got one leg back and one leg forwards. My feet are pointing forwards, and what I'm going to do is have one hand forwards, my back leg and my back arm come up at the same time and back down, and you're looking to stabilize at the top of the movement. For a lot of people, if they come up and they are all over the place, it becomes a point where they just can't do the repetitions, and we need to start somewhere. And this is where this stick comes in. So I'm going to have the stick on the floor. I'm going to have that in the same hand as the side that's the balancing leg. And then from here, as I come up, I can use the stick to completely support me, and then down, back up, and down. If you're thinking, well, I don't have a stick, you can use a wall, you can use any fixed resistance object. However, if you need something that you want to be kind of on the go and have something portable, a stick makes a really good option. That is how to do the runner man stance aided with a stick, and you would repeat that for your desired amount of sets and repetitions.